Hey there, welcome back friends. In this video we will talk about two things. Firstly, there is yet another approach by the name of model map, and we will also try to simplify our controller a little. So let's get started. So in here, if I open up the controller, we can easily make out that we are making use of maps. Now these maps are nothing but data. Alright, so this is good. Now friends, there could be a scenario where you wish to handle things in a different fashion, and indeed Spring provides us with three approaches: model approach, model and view approach. Both of these approaches are seen by us already, and there is model map approach as well. Model map approach can be used where we want to pass information to the view easily. So in here, first of all, the return type of this method would be updated to string, and we will return the name of the view similar to model approach. And in here, let me get rid of this. Here we go. All right, and as a parameter we will make use of model map. Now this isn't very important, but it is a good to know information, so let us cover this off. Let me hover upon this error, let me add the required package, and now finally we will add attributes. We will add attributes to this map, right? So it would be like map, oops, let me copy this. It would be like map dot add attribute. It won't be add object, it would be add attribute, like this. Let me copy this part, let me paste it in here and in here. All right, now to be very honest, this doesn't help a lot. It will give you yet another approach to create a method under Spring MVC, but this is what it is. All right, so now let me quickly run this application and show you whether this works or not. So let me restart the web server real quick. Here we go, the application is working just perfect. Let me test run this real quick. Let me click on submit. All good. So everything is working as expected. Let me click on submit, has errors. So everything is working as expected. Now is the time to modify our view a little. So first of all, let me undo the changes so that we can use the model and view approach. All right, and now what we will do, we will get rid of these maps. That would be better. So let's open up the view file. So in here, we will navigate to web content, view, and the user form view. All right, so in here, first of all, let us add the radio buttons manually. So in here, we will get rid of this items tag, and we will also get rid of this radio buttons tag, and we will start making use of radio button tag. All right, let me copy and paste it in here. Here we go, and there are two things. Let me show you, male and female, right? So let me add the appropriate what we say labels. So it would be like male colon this particular what we say this particular tag, and path is good, but in here we need to also provide value. So it would be like value equals male. All right, and similarly we will also make use of female colon, and everything seems to be good enough. If I haven't made any mistake, things are looking good. Let me also add value, and at this time value would be female. All right, so this looks good. Let me refresh the form. There won't be any significant change. All right, so things are working as expected. All right, now moving forward, let us get rid of this map. So we are simplifying stuff, and let me also get rid of this. Let me stop the web server to start with. Here we go. And now finally let us also add the map for this thing. So what I will do, I will cut these entries from here and get rid of these two lines as well. So now our controller is super simple, right? Now let us again navigate to our view file and let me expand this. So in here we are making use of what? We are making use of a select tag, and this works in a little different manner. So let me show you. All right, and in between these select tags we will add couple of options. So first of all, let me paste the content from here. So the first option would be option form colon option, and value would be India. All right, let me get rid of this and let me copy and paste it a couple of times. Then USA. Let me simplify things a little. I will give the label again. So it would be like label equals United States of, pardon me, the United States. All right, and finally Ireland and Thailand. Whenever we try to modify stuff, it can be a little messy sometimes, but please bear with me. Let me format things a little and save the changes. All right, now if I refresh this page, nothing particularly will change. Only the background working, the view file will get a upgrade. Indeed, it is not refreshing the page somehow because we have stopped the web server. Let me rerun the web server real quick. It will take a couple of seconds. All right, this looks good to me. There is no impact on the view file. Now there is one more thing which we will do. Now in here we have made the changes, and now the view file is super simple for us, right? But we need to also update this particular part, right? So in here we have this which we have already created, and now we need not to worry about these maps. Let me get rid of it. Nor we want these two lines. Let me again get rid of it and let me save the changes. So now the view file, pardon me, now the controller is so simple. So take a note of it. Whenever you for example deal with Spring MVC, if there is a static type of content in your view, for example these drop downs, these drop down or checkboxes are static content, it doesn't change, then always keep them in the view file. But if there is a dynamic content, for example we wish to extract the list of countries from the database, in that case definitely you have to make use of the controller to populate the data and send the data to the view file. So golden rule, static content goes to the view. Dynamic content, whenever we want some logic to be implemented, whenever we want to extract some data from the database, use the controller and pass the information to the view file. All right, so having said that, we have simplified quite a few things in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and before ending this video, let us quickly test whether we are good to go or not. So it would be like author Germany, accept agreement, all good. All right, so it was Taiwan, not Germany. All right, this is cool. And if I add a test user and click on submit, it displays has errors and it retains the information. All right, so this is good. All right, so that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and take care.